In this video, I'll be showing how to replace a front side view mirror on a Nissan Sentra. It is located on the front door. Let's get started. So you're going to want to go ahead, open your door, and locate your master window switch. I'm going to go ahead, give this a nice pull up. Remove the pigtail connectors, press on the tab and pull out. Quick inspection on the harnesses for any corrosion and set it aside. Next, I'm going to locate my door handle. I'll be removing this silver bezel around it using some trim tools. I'm going to pull out and slide the bottom one in. Going around on the inside and popping the tabs out. And there it is. And coming back down to your master window switch area, we are going to locate a 10mm bolt. You want to remove that. And set it aside. I'm going to locate this cover up here. Now to remove it, just give it a nice pull. And now to remove the door panel, I'm going to apply some pressure up here while I pull down here. Make sure to give them a nice firm pull. Make sure all edges are free, and then you want to lift up. Pry outwards, and there it is. Now that the door panel's off, I can find my way to the harness for the mirror. Simply just pull the tab and pull. Now we're going to find 3 10mm nuts. I'll remove 2 for now. Set these aside. Now I'm going to move along to the outside of the vehicle. I'm going to be holding the mirror while I remove this last nut. And now just pull your mirror out. Prior to installing your mirror, you want to clean the mating surface to ensure any moisture stays out. I'll be using some glass cleaner and a rag. Now to install our mirror, be sure to slide the harness through the hole and align the mounting studs. Now install your nuts on the mirror. Remember while you do this to hold the mirror up. Now I'm just going to snug these up. Make sure the mirror is firmly secured. And now we're going to reinstall our connector. Make sure you hear an audible click, and it's secure. Now that our harness is connected, we are going to want to make sure our power mirror works. Going to go down, going to go up, and side to side. As you can see, it's working properly, so we could continue with the install. Now to install our door panel, we're going to slide them over the hooks. And remember our harness. We're going to reach down for our harness and pull it up. Make sure it's firmly in place. I'm going to push down along the edges. Make sure those clips are seated. And I'm going to install my door panel bolt. I'll be snugging it down with a 10mm. I'm going to reinstall my master window switch. Make sure the clips are fully seated in. and firmly push down. And make sure it's secured. I will move along to my door handle and reinstalling the door handle bezel. I'll just align it and push in. Make sure you hear the click. And secure. Now for the upper right portion of the door, I'll be reinstalling the cover. Slide it through. And push down until you hear the click. And that completes our install. Thank you for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.